Good morning. Please come in and have a seat.
Good morning, doctor. Thank you.
So tell me, what seems to be the problem?
I've not been feeling well for the past few days. I have a sore throat, a headache, and I feel very tired.
I see. Do you also have a fever?
Yes, it's not very high, but I feel hot and uncomfortable, especially at night.
Do you have any cough?
Yes, a dry cough. It started 2 days ago and has gotten worse.
All right. Let me check your throat. Could you open your mouth and say, "Ah," please?
Ah!
Your throat is red and slightly swollen. Let me check your temperature and pulse.
Sure.
Your temperature is a bit high, and your pulse rate is slightly elevated, which is normal in mild infections. How long have you been feeling like this?
This is the 4th day. At first, I thought it was nothing, but now I feel worse.
Have you been taking any medicine?
Only paracetamol once or twice, and I drank some ginger tea.
That's good for temporary relief, but I think you're dealing with a viral throat infection. Nothing serious, but it needs rest and proper care.
I see. I was really worried it might be something serious.
Don't worry. It's quite common, especially in seasonal changes. Have you had any loss of taste or smell?
No, nothing like that.
Good. Are you eating properly?
Not really. I don't feel hungry, and my throat hurts when I swallow.
That's expected. You should try warm soup or porridge. Avoid spicy or oily food. Soft food is easier to swallow.
Okay, doctor. Should I go to work or take rest?
You should take at least 2 to 3 days off. Your body needs rest to recover. Going out will only make it worse.
All right, I'll inform my office. Can I go for a walk this evening?
Only if you feel strong enough and not in cold or windy weather. For now, stay warm, drink plenty of fluids, and rest.
Is this infection contagious?
Yes, a little. It spreads through coughing, sneezing, or close contact. You should wear a mask and avoid sharing cups or utensils.
Got it. Should I do a COVID test?
No signs of COVID so far, but if you feel breathless or lose taste, smell, come back immediately.
All right. What medicine should I take?
I'll prescribe a mild antibiotic, a painkiller for the body ache and fever, and a cough syrup.
Okay. Any home remedies I can try?
Yes, steam inhalation twice a day, warm saltwater gargles, and herbal teas. Avoid cold drinks completely.
Can I take vitamin C tablets?
Yes, that's a good idea. It helps boost your immunity.
Thank you, doctor. What if I don't feel better in a few days?
If you don't improve in 3 to 4 days, come back for a follow-up. We'll do a blood test if needed.
All right. I'm really thankful for your time.
You're most welcome. Don't worry too much. Just follow the routine and rest.
I will. One last question. Can I take a shower?
Yes, but keep it quick and with warm water. Don't get chilled afterward.
Okay. Thank you again, doctor. I feel a bit relaxed after talking to you.
That's great to hear. Take care and I hope you recover soon.
Thanks. Bye.